Welcome to the Power Transformation channel. The power of transformation is in your mind. Today, we're going to unveil the secret to achieving your dreams and unlock the code of success. Get ready for an inspiring journey that will transform your mindset and propel you towards the extraordinary. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to stay tuned for all the powerful tips. Let's go! Unraveling the code of success, practical tips to conquer your dreams. Have you ever wondered what defines success? We, at Power Transformation, know that the key to reaching your dreams is within your reach, and it's time to reveal this secret. Get ready for a transformative experience, as today we'll be sharing practical tips that will guide you towards an extraordinary life. If you're tired of feeling stuck and unsatisfied with your current life, know that change begins with you. Whether you're a 16-year-old youth searching for your passion or a 30-year-old adult aiming to advance your career, the power of transformation lives within your hands. Visualization. First and foremost, to achieve your dreams, you must see them clearly in your mind's eye. Close your eyes and visualize what you wish to accomplish. Feel the emotion of living that achievement. This is the first step to activate the power of your mind and the universe in your favor. Imagine yourself living the life of your dreams, accomplishing your goals, and overcoming challenges with confidence. This powerful visualization creates an emotional connection with your objectives, making them more tangible and boosting your motivation to take action. Smart goals. To turn your dreams into reality, it's essential to set SMART goals. This acronym stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. With well-structured goals, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow on the path to success. Transform your dreams into concrete and measurable goals. If, for instance, you wish to start your own business, set specific goals for each step, such as creating a business plan, defining a budget, and finding the necessary resources. This way, every achievement will bring you closer to your grand vision. Perseverance. No journey is easy, but perseverance is the key to overcoming challenges. Remember that every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. Believe in yourself, stay strong, and never give up on your dreams. The path to success is filled with ups and downs. Embrace moments of difficulty as opportunities to learn valuable lessons. Perseverance allows you to turn obstacles into stepping stones toward the top, cultivating a resilient mindset that will keep you focused on your goals even in the face of adversity. Self-confidence. Believing in yourself is the fuel to achieve success. Overcome self-criticism and embrace your journey of growth. When you have confidence in your abilities, the world opens up to new possibilities. Remember that you are capable and unique in your talents. Avoid comparing yourself to others, as each journey is individual. Strengthen your self-confidence, acknowledge your achievements, and remember your qualities. When you believe in yourself, you'll be ready to embrace new challenges and reach the extraordinary. Action plan. Having an action plan is like charting a course to reach your desired destination. List the steps needed to achieve your goals and follow the plan with determination. With each step taken, you'll be closer to your objective. Action is the key to materializing your dreams. Create a detailed plan, break down your goals into small steps, and set deadlines for each accomplishment. Remember that significant achievements result from small consistent actions over time. Embracing failure. Failure is part of the growth process. Embrace it as an opportunity to learn and improve. Remember, the greatest winners are those who faced failure with their heads held high and moved forward. Recognizing failure is not synonymous with defeat but with learning. Understand that we all make mistakes, and failure is a part of the growth process. Accept failure with humility and use it as fuel to propel your journey toward success. Celebrating achievements. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress and success is essential to maintain motivation. Celebrate each victory and use those moments of joy as a drive to reach new heights. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how minor they may seem, for each step is a victory on the path to success. Acknowledging your accomplishments boosts motivation and self-esteem, creating a positive cycle to achieve even more. Celebrate each milestone and take pride in your triumphs. Mentors and inspirations. Seeking mentors and inspirations is vital for personal growth. Learning from those who have walked similar paths can accelerate your journey and offer fresh perspectives. Look for individuals who have achieved success in areas you want to develop. Follow their content, read their books, watch inspiring interviews and speeches. The wisdom of a mentor can provide valuable insights, guidance, and motivation to propel you on your unique journey. Additionally, seek out inspiring stories and success. You can find these stories in biographies, documentaries, or even through conversations with people around you. Allow yourself to be inspired by the accomplishments of others and use their stories as guiding lights on your path. Viewers Challenge. Now it's your turn. We challenge you, our powerful viewers, to put into practice the tips shared in this video. Unravel the code of success in your life and share your achievements in the comments below. Remember, true transformation starts within you. It's time to take action. Implement the tips we shared in this video and witness the power of transformation at work in your life. Embrace each tool, strategy, and knowledge to pave your way toward success. Share your experiences in the comments section below. The Power Transformation community is here to support you on your journey of personal growth. Sharing your achievements and challenges not only inspires other viewers but also connects you with like-minded individuals pursuing similar goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transformation. If you enjoyed the content, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, leave your suggestions for future videos. We're so excited to bring even more inspiring content to you. Together, let's elevate our lives to a level of excellence and abundance. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes of Power Transformation, and remember, the power of transformation lies within your mind. Believe in yourself, set your goals, and conquer your dreams. Until the next video.